CNN 2014 coverage now. Tonight we're going to introduce you to the judicial contenders for the Monterey County Superior Court bench. There are 3 seats open. Assistant District Attorney Stephanie Hulsey is running unopposed. The 2 remaining seats have defense attorney Andy Liu facing off with prosecutor Steve Summers. And Heidi Wilden is running against Luma Serrano Williams. We get more tonight from Action News reporter May Chow.
With 3 eminent retirements on the Monterey County Superior Court bench, the question of who will be the replacements is generating a lot of election buzz. The most talked about race, who will fill Judge Russell Scott's seat? Scott announces retirement in January and endorsed prosecutor Steve Summers.
When I found out he was retiring and he mentioned that he was retiring, I thought, gosh, I hope someone with a lot of experience in trials and criminal background will take his place. And he said, well, I hope it's you.
A veteran prosecutor, Summers has been with the Monterey County District Attorney's Office for 12 years. In the past 8, he served on the District Attorney's major felony trial team. Some of his more high-profile cases include the recent conviction of former Pacific Grove Police Commander John Yunt for making threats, burglary, and being an accessory to crime, as well as the conviction of Christopher Sorensen, who pleaded guilty to murdering his mother. Currently, Summers is handling the King City Police corruption case, along with 5 open murder cases.
I've handled pretty much everything that you can throw at in the criminal context, and have a lot of trial experience, a lot more trial experience than many around, and I think those are essential for the job.
His challenger, Andrew Liu, was a former Monterey County Deputy DA in the Major Felony Unit. He spent the past 7 years as a defense attorney.
I live in Monterey County, and I care deeply about the well-being of our community. What I'd like to do is use my experience, my background in the legal system to benefit our courts, so that way we can affect a positive impact on the Monterey community.
Liu spent 10 years as a New York City prosecutor and as an assistant DA, supervised up to dozens of prosecutors in the Domestic Violence and Sex Crimes Bureau before being promoted to Deputy Chief of the Domestic Violence Bureau. He says his nearly 2 decades of legal experience from both sides has prepared him for the bench.
One of the things that you see in my candidacy is really a broad spectrum and a real broad perspective on our legal system. I've seen a lot and I've felt a lot.
Meantime, 2 women are vying to replace retiring Judge Kay Kingsley. Superior Court Commissioner Heidi Wilden presides over family and domestic violence courts and says her experience on the bench gives her an advantage over her opponent.
I am the only candidate running for judge who has years of actual experience serving on the Monterey County Superior Court bench. I have a proven track record of treating the people who appear before me with dignity and respect, and making sure that in the rulings that I make for the people who appear before me, that they are just and sound and in accord with the law.
Her challenger, Luma Serrano Williams, is running for judge for the 2nd time. A graduate of Alisal High School, Serrano Williams worked as an attorney for 17 years and since 2008 has served as an administrative law judge, hearing appeals from unemployment and disability claims.
I am a judge. I have the skills to start running from day one. I have been in the courtroom again doing both sides. I know how to conduct the courtroom. I have also practiced in other counties, not just here, and I can bring a lot of fresh ideas on how to run our courtrooms. Some will be hopefully taken well, and hopefully we can improve a lot of things.
Reporting in Salinas, May Chow, KSBW, Action News 8.